Don't say those words.
Hey guys, what's
Because I'm
good?
recording.
I had to restart my thing because I'm a bit mad. Like,
No. What do you mean? This is our first one.
what's up? Just so you
Yeah.
know, Will is World War II is AI.
You didn't
Like
have
this
to
guy
say
actually
my
got locked
full
in.
name.
I said Will. Never this deep.
You said World War II. That's my
It's actually
username.
World War III. Can you imagine?
Real. Why are they both up to you? That ain't
I don't
fair.
know why I can perfect parry so much now. So much quick. I was about to perfect parry. Perfect.
You're either perfect or you're not me.
That was good.
Skip.
You have to be perfect cell like me. Wait, I need to actually lock in.
Same.
No, I'm sure that was perfect. Perfect, that was definitely perfect. Straight to the skull.
Can this guy shoot, please? Thank you.
Clipped. Oh, I need to back.
Real.
Double perfect carry.
Where did this guy come from? Just shoot at me. Come on. Like, please. That's all the only way I can kill you.
And he's walking out the
Alright,
map
shoot again. Come on. There we go.
Clipped him anyway, so let's go.
Well, was that a voice crack or was that just you going husky? I can't tell.
Perfect. Hey, I'm perfect. Stop. There we go.
Come on, Logan. We up to the struck 4? Yep, we are.
Now what?
I hate that one. I can never get the timing right on the parry for that. Oh, I thought he was gonna do the slide one. No. Whoa, I died as well. Frick.
It's so bad.
You, bro. What is he doing?
Yeah.
Us. Come on. We gotta get boost boots.
Bombo clap. He's
I'll
caught
be glad.
a very bad instance that happened in real life, which we don't talk about.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Boost
Let's
boots.
see.
Boost boots. Boost. 3-2. That was better than last time.
I mean, we don't talk about last time. That was a fluke.
Real. Well, I got a bunch of bad ones. I
I got
guess.
swiftness. I'm good.
I guess lunge. The ability to go
Bad.
forward. That's cool. I didn't get boost boots.
Peace,
That's cool.
yay.
You got a laptop, bro. Not a PC.
Okay, buddy, we don't talk about that.
No, we do. Violet. Yep.
Now watch me absolutely perfect parry everything again. Trust.
Yeah,
Last
trust.
run, I had to 3v1 everything. Trust me, all the way to 10. I got on
3v1.
but then I sadly lost. Trust me.
Yeah, because you're like horrible trust.
Yeah, trust. I'm only good at parrying, bro. I just can't hit.
Real.
I don't know how you can't hit. Alright, Roblox.
Yeah, they're all in like California or something.
Yeah,
my parry back. I keep on doing that too early. I'm like guessing. I mean, when they're gonna do their thing so that I can parry. Skip. I literally removed this. And it didn't really work. Alright, they're gone. Okay, let me get around before I can parry it.
Perfect. Give me the parries
What the hell?
your V. Rest, you. There's one guy.
Bruh, how's he
One
not dead?
guy.
Come here. There we go. He was shooting and I was fighting a robot before. Bruh, you're taking so long. It's one guy.
See? Did better than you.
I was parrying, but I remember. Nice. Isn't it meant to be too hard this
Hey, we got a perfect parry. Skip, skip.
Yep, I am, bro. Damn it. Damn it! I hate all these freezing things, because I just don't get it. Damn it! I'm going for all the frozen guys, because they really annoy me. Get him. Bro! Oh, I hate this guy!
I need to parry, otherwise I'm clipped, bro.
How's he not dead? What?
Bomba clap.
Oh my god, bro. That's so annoying. I'm going for the frozen guys. That's all I want to do, bro.
I'm gonna help back.
I'm gonna die. Oh, with the lava thing, bro. What the hell? You got that, yeah?
Eviscerated again.
How did I not parry, bro? Die! How are you not dead yet? Oh my god. Ghosting me, I'm I don't know. Okay. Time for Cyborgus.
Okay,
20 minutes into the video, we're fighting Cyborgus. Where is this house? Like, actually, where is it? Can I get some help? I just like carried everything. Use your counter, bro. It's actually loaded. Get away, get away, get away. Get like to the... Oh, wait, no, it's not yet. Just dodge everything. You don't even need a parry.
I died.
How?
I'm so mid, bro. I'm not even mid, I'm trapped. If you live, I'll be able to come back. Bombo class.
Let me out. Why'd I go that way?
Nuke a minute, you gotta parry it. Run away.
Easy! Nah. Let's go!
Take control.
Alright, one more thing.
We're both on our last life. We gotta actually lock in.
Yeah, bro, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do the heads up thing. Please! Why am I getting such bad? Oh!
So gain damage resistance and depth.
Yeah, I'm gonna do last stand as well, bro. Oh my god, I wish I had boost boots. That makes fighting that other boss so the last boss.
Get boost boots.
Get it.
I'm getting boost boots.
Yeah.
Send it back,
Bro, so I got like two of the worst things, bro.
You're fine, bro.
It's fine. Lunge isn't actually that bad. I don't mind it, but like still. All right, Techno.
Oh, Techno's so cool.
It's just the boss in this that's super annoying, and when a million bikers are after you.
I love how we
and
make
you don't like
videos at 12 a.m.
Are the actuals? Oh yeah, Sue. Mate, it's the only time I can lock in on this game, and then mind you, after this, I'll go play Undertale trying to finish the pacifist run.
I don't have to play.
I've already killed him, done. Mate, no, pacifist. Not killed, I'm doing pacifist run. Yeah, I am, man. Go. Nah, not even that. It's like I love when you can carry their bikes that are left over. You see, like, watch. Thanks for the bike. Free bike. Get you off there. Oh, and throw it over.
Okay.
You got the bike back. Oh no, it's gone now. Don't let them get back on the bike. What are you doing? Skip. I'm throwing this at someone. Right there. I'll try to send them towards you, go.
Stop.
Don't let him back on his bike. What are you doing? Yeah, you can do that once they're down. Oh, I get this. Bro, this doesn't. You don't even need to parry this. That's how easy it is. Oh my god. Alright, fine.
I'm crazy.
Right, yeah. Wait, I just realized we got two. We're at 2 health.
I asked him to steamy.
No, but look, we're at 2 health.
You do? Oh, Riz.
Yeah, look.
Pretty sure if we do like extra good, then we get extra lives. What are they?
Yeah, genuinely. Maybe we're meant to get in the mech yet. Hop out the mech. Don't tell me our game's glitched. I think it. Are you kidding, bruv? Maybe that's why. Okay, dude. You actually just gotta shut up.
Yeah, my bad.
Maybe it's because the 2 lives, like, when that happened. That's a bit annoying. Well, that was a bit annoying, but,
No, that's sad. Okay. Okay, we'll get on to you when we fix this run.